engaged in any pattern of work, any department of work. But by dint of your work, you establish the existence of God, Krishna, and whatever is being done, it is being done by the expert management of Krishna. The sun is rising exactly in the time, and it is setting exactly in the time, and the temperature according to the different season, the movement, Uttarayan, Dakshinayan, everything is managed so expertly under the order of the Supreme, Maya Dhakshena Prakriti. Don't think the sun is working so nicely automatically. No automatically. The master is there, Krishna. Jasyagmaya Brahmati Sang Bhritakala Chakru. The sun is so powerful substance within this universe. There are many millions of suns. This is one sun only. But it is carrying out the order of Krishna. Jachakshuri sasavita sagalagrahana raja samasta suramurti asesa teja. Asesa teja. Unlimited light, unlimited fire, unlimited heat. Asesa. Asesa teja. There is no comparison with the sunlight, sun's heat. There is no comparison within this universe. Unlimited. For millions and millions of years, it is from the sun, the light and heat is coming out. But there is no diminution. It is the same as it was millions of years ago, and after giving you light and heat for millions of years, the same quantity of light and heat is still there. So, if it is possible for a material thing that after giving unlimited heat and light, it remains the same, similarly, the Supreme Lord, by expanding His potencies, by His energy, He remains the same. He does not diminish. Purnasya purnamadaya purnameva avashishyate. So, if we can see in the material object that the heat being emanated for many millions and millions, it remains the same heat. It maintains the same heat, same light. Why it is not possible for the Supreme? Therefore, Isha Upanishad informs us that Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vishyate. If you take the whole energy of Krishna from Krishna, then still the whole energy is there. But you will be surprised, nowadays modern gods, there are so many modern gods. I do not wish to name, but one modern god, he gave his power to his disciple. And when he came into consciousness, then he was crying. The disciples inquired from the Guru, "Why you are crying, sir?" "No, I have finished everything. I have given you everything. I have given you everything, therefore I am now finished." That is not spiritual, that is material. I have got 100 rupees, if I pay you 100 rupees, then my pocket is empty. But Krishna is not like that. Krishna can make hundreds of thousands and millions of Krishna, still he is Krishna. That is Krishna. The potency is never exhausted. That is called Purnasya Purnamadaya, Purnameva Vashishyate. So, this imitation, God will not help us. The real God, Ishvara Parama Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda, Sarvakarana Karana. Sarvakarana Karanam He never exhausts. He is never exhausted. It is said that Jasyaika nishashita kalamathavanamba jivanti loma vilaja jagadanna natha Vishnu mahan sayajasya kala vishesha govindamadi purusam tamamaja. The millions of universes are coming out within this breathing period, and again they are annihilated when the breathing is taken inside. In this way, the universes are coming out. Jagadanna Natha. Jagadanna Natha, Jagadanna means the universe, and Natha, the Lord of the universe, means Lord Brahma. So he has got a duration of life. And what is the duration of life? The breathing period of Mahavishnu. Jasyaika nishasita kalamathavalamba jivanti loma vilaja jagadanna natha Vishnu mahan sayajasya kala vishesha govindamadi purisam tamam. That is God. By breathing, unlimited number of universes are coming out and going in. And the duration of existence of each and every universe is the duration of life of Brahma. That we cannot calculate. Even we cannot calculate his 12 hours. So that is God. We accept such kind of God. Not a little magician. No. That is not possible. We cannot accept such cheap gods. We accept Krishna, the Sarva Karana Karanam, and we want to be eternal servant. That is our actual position. Jive Sarupa Nitya Krishna Das. By his unlimited potency, energy, unlimited universes are coming out with unlimited number of varieties of planet, and each planet is differently situated, different atmosphere, different temperature. So in this way, varieties. That is Ananda. Krishna has created these varieties because he is Anandamaya Abhyasa. Anandamaya. Unless there is variety. So we are part and parcel of that variety maker. We are also one of the varieties. Jiva Shakti. We are also one of the varieties. So how we can become variety-less? Nirvishesh, that is not possible. Even artificially try to become nirvishesh, variety-less. Our constitutional position is that we want variety. How it can be stopped? Therefore, in the Shastra it is said, the so-called Mayavadi, impersonalist, monist, arujya krichena parang padang tata. Although they get up to the position of oneness, monist, but from that position they fall down. Why? Anadita jusmadanghrena. Arujya krichena parang padang tata patanti adha anadita jusmadangra. Because they have no information of the lotus feet of Krishna, where to enjoy Ananda, Anandamaya Abhyasa, and they are by nature seeking after Ananda, the so-called oneness, monism, that will not please them. They will require again Ananda. But because Anadita Jusmatangra, they have not worshipped Krishna's lotus feet, they come down again in this material world and worship the feet of Maya. That is their position. Arujya krichena paramapadam tato patanti adha. And as soon as you are engaged in the service of Maya, that is your adhapatan. Adhapatan. As we, all this materialistic person who are within this material, you are serving Maya. Everyone is serving. Nobody is without serving. But they are serving Maya. So you have to transfer your service from Maya to Krishna, then your life will be successful and you will taste different varieties of prasadam perpetually and enjoy life eternally and blissfully. Thank you very much.